Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a look at a listing we have on a Grand Mariner 250. This pontoon is extremely well equipped. It's going to be the metal flake black exterior. It has dual bimini on it, so we have the nice sport tower and we have the forward bimini on here. This has the pontoons wrap, so we have Vantage wrap and bumper guard on the sides of this one. All black on the exterior, great look to it. As we come around the back of the pontoon, we'll notice on this one, this is actually an IO. So it has a 350 horsepower Mercruiser engine in it, Bravo 3 drive system. We have our ski pylon on the back. We have the safety chains across the back, so you're legal to ride back here if you'd like. Underwater lights, lifting strakes, the rear lounger setup. This is really well equipped. Let's take a look at the inside of this pontoon. We'll hop up there. All right, so now as we hop on this boat, this is going to be equipped with an upgraded JL audio stereo system. So we're going to have rear speakers set in the back of the boat here, the nice big rear lounger. We have all kinds of options here. We've got power ports for you with USBs and your remote stereo control back here. Flip this back over, nice open layout for the interior. This is going to have speakers throughout, subwoofer, going to be set up with that JL audio system. You've got speakers down below, and you also have the Simrad system on here as well. All equipped with, like I said before, the 350 horsepower engine. It has the in-floor storage, the extra seat up in the front, which is movable. This is going to have doors on both sides. We've got the entertainment area here. Gives you a nice little bit larger area for your snacks and things. Going to have lights in the cup holders, teak lined floor. This is a really well equipped pontoon. Give us a call at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota to set up an appointment to come see this one.